Guys, do y'all know what these are? These are what I use when I want to make perfectly round eggs in a skillet. You have to spray them to make sure they stay nonstick, put the egg in, and sometimes the egg leaks beneath them. But they work. However, I got this in. And this comes with its wooden handle. You put it on right here. And you screw it in. So it's a small pan, but it has 4 individual already nonstick holes for your eggs. This thing is going to be amazing. I saw many videos of people making more than just eggs in here, and then they flip it over to this one and it's like a sandwich. But this is going to be great. I don't have to worry about keeping these anymore. Have this. It's nonstick. The pan, like I said, it connects right here with the handle. So I'm going to be using this to fry up my eggs now.